In this brief tutorial, you'll learn how to change the chat theme on Instagram, adding a personal touch to your direct messages. Customizing your chat theme can make your conversations more fun and expressive. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and navigate to the Direct Messages section by tapping on the paper airplane icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the Direct Messages, select a conversation you want to customize the theme for. Inside the chat, tap on the recipient's name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. In the Chat Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Theme. Tap on it to proceed. Instagram offers various chat themes to choose from. Scroll through the available options to find one that suits your preference. Once you've found the theme you like, simply tap on it to apply it to the chat. The theme will be instantly applied, and you'll see the changes reflected in your conversation. That's it. You successfully changed the chat theme on Instagram. Feel free to experiment with different themes to find the one that best fits your style. If you have any questions about this process, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!